This is our kind of a little mini apartment. Bathroom, there's a washer and dryer, and our shower and bathtub. And here, just very pretty. And that is the toilet area. And then that's the front door, and back to our little kitchen. Has a fridge and the sink. And then there's Jason. And this is this area where we'll put the beds together and make one big bed. They had a lot of unavailability when we picked our room. Welcome to Tokyo.
Very busy place.
What did you say, Jason?
I said a very busy place.
Yes, very busy. He's got his sandals on already.
You're supposed to